There is an increasing incidence of melanoma, okay? And a lot of that is just because it's being found, and a lot of it is because there really is more of it. And the most important reason for the increased risk of melanoma is increased recreational exposure. And it relates to a phenomenon that started in the 60s and 70s, where you could put your family in an airplane, fly down to Florida, and go to Disney World and get sunburned in the middle of winter when you haven't prepared for a summer sunny vacation. And absolutely, we are seeing the results of people of my generation around the age of 50 who were in the sun. You knew you shouldn't get sunburn because it hurt, but we used to call the stuff you put on your skin suntan lotion. It wasn't called sunblock. We have not yet started to see in this country less melanoma because of greater public awareness. But in Australia, where melanoma is a bona fide public health threat, they have had public awareness campaigns that are now starting to show a decrease in the incidence of melanoma. And we will see the same in this country soon enough. Moms now think they're a failure if their kid ever gets a sunburn, and we're simply in tune to it. Much the same way it used to be okay to drive along the highway and throw your litter out on the highway because you didn't even think twice that that would be a big problem. And then we learned, no, you shouldn't litter. Now we learned you shouldn't get sunburned, and more importantly, that your kids shouldn't get sunburned. And the kids grow up knowing they shouldn't get sunburned, and then as hopefully young, responsible adults, they're continuing the practice.